Okay, now we shall come to the question number 51. So it's a very simple one, as you know that. So the value of determinant of cos 50 degree, sin 10 degree, sin 50 degree, cos 10 degree is what? So according to the determinant formula, we are simplifying this. So that is this delta is equal to cos 50 into cos 10 degree minus sin 50 degree into sin 10 degree. And it is of the form like this: cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. What is cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B? We are having that is cos of A plus B. Is it not? Cos of A plus B. But what is A is here? A is 50 degree, B is 10 degree. That is what we are having, cos 60 degree. What is cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. So now you check the answer which is the right out of these 4. So very simple is this one. I am repeating once again: cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Formula is cos of A plus B. So A plus B is nothing but 50 plus 10 degree. 50 plus 10 degree is 60 degree, but cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. I hope I can recall that is the value of 30 degree and the 60 degree. This is the 60 degree, 1 to root 3. See here, adjacent side is 1, hypotenuse is 2. Right? So that is if you go for sin 30 degree, see here for sin 30 degree it is 1 by 2. Opposite side by hypotenuse. So which is the right answer according to these problems is, that is D is the right answer for this problem. Now we shall come to the question number 52. So that is the value of x and y from the simultaneous equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 7, 7x minus y is equal to 6. So you can gauge the answer. Somebody will do like this, substituting the 1 and 1. So 3 into 1 is 3, plus 4 into 1 is 4, 3 plus 4 is 7. Oh, it is right. So then again 7 into 1 is 7, 7 minus 1 is 6. That is also right. So answer is A. This is also true to do for certain problems, but not all the problems. But the procedure is, suppose if you are not going to that is equal to, then you will go for the determinant definitions. Right? So here the xy coefficients, that is delta is equal to what we are taking 3, 4 and 7 minus 1. This is one value. What is delta x value is? Delta x value is, in the first column write the constant term, that is 7. Constant term is what? 7, 6. And the second column it is 4 minus 1. This is delta x. And what is delta y is here? Delta y is, in the second column you can write the constant, that is 7, 6. And the first term is same what we are having in the delta, that is 3, 7. Now by determinant we are finding that is 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 7 into 4 is 28, that is minus 28, you are having minus 31. In the second, delta x is equal to 7 into minus 1 is minus 7, 6 into 4 is 24, that is minus 24, that is also equal to minus 31. So 6 3s are what? Now we are having 18 minus 7 7s are 49. So that is equal to 9 minus 8 is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3 with negative sign, that is minus 31. And of course we are knowing that is the substitution is x is equal to delta x by delta, that is minus 31 by minus 31, that is equal to 1. Y is equal to delta y by delta, that is equal to again minus 31 by minus 31, that is equal to 1. So the answer is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Which is the right answer? You had to watch out. So the first answer is the right answer. So we are having both the methods, but for 3 cross 3 determinant, you will not get the solutions of to tell straight away the answer. You had to work out. He has asked only one term, either x or y. There you have to find delta and delta x, delta y and delta z. No need of all the learning. If you ask delta x value, then delta by delta x is sufficient. If you ask y value, then delta y, delta y, delta and delta y are the essential. If you ask for z value, then we will go for delta and delta z. Then we can get the solution for the problem. So now we shall come to, that is question number 53, right? So what he is telling, if determinant of x3, 3x is equal to 0, then what is x? As we know that how to find the determinant, he has given, what he has given actually, determinant of this value is equal to 0. What is the determinant of x3, 3x? That is x into x is x squared minus 3 into 3 is 9 is equal to 0. Or this can be written as x squared is equal to 9. This implies x is equal to what? Plus or minus 3. It's very simple questions that you are having in this examination. So which is the right answer out of 4? A is plus or minus 1, B is plus or minus 3, C is plus or minus 9, plus or minus root 6 for the D. Now the B is the right answer for this problem. It's a very easiest question in the examination, right? It is also the simple way. If see the question number 54, right? If A equals minus 1, 3, 4 minus 5, then find 2A transpose. When A is this one, then what is A transpose? We know that is A transpose is equal to the matrix, change the row into column, that is minus 1 3 become minus 1 3 in the column, 4 minus 5 second row become 4 minus 5 in the second column. This is A transpose. Now we find 2A transpose. That is also very simple. We have to multiply each term by 2. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. So now we can find out which is the right answer out of these 4. A, B, C, D. So the answer is minus 2, 8, 6 minus 10. Minus 2, 6 is not here. It is not. This is also not. This is right, but the 6 is right, but this is wrong. The only thing is D is the right answer for this problem. Okay, minus 2, 8, 6 minus 10 is the right answer for this problem. Okay, that question number 53 and 54 is over. Now we shall come to the question number 55. See this one, if A is a given matrix, then which is right out of these 4? Right, adjoint of A is equal to A inverse by determinant of A. B answer is adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A over determinant of A inverse. And the next one is adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into A inverse, and the last one is A into A inverse is equal to adjoint of A into determinant of A. So before that, the only thing is we have to know, that is how to define inverse matrix. A inverse is equal to 1 over determinant of A into adjoint of A. This is the formula which we are knowing, right? A inverse is equal to 1 over determinant of A into adjoint of A. By cross multiplications, what we are going to get, that is adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into A inverse. This is the right answer for this problem. Now we check which is the right answer. That C is the right answer for this problem. So by knowing this formula, what is this is? Formula we are having. So this, using this formula, we can evaluate the answer. So this completes the question number 55. Have in mind, that is 55 is over. Okay, 56 question is the characteristic equation of the matrix A equals minus 5 6 minus 2 1 is what? So here he has given the 4 answer. A is minus lambda squared minus 6 lambda plus 12 equals 0. B is lambda squared minus 4 lambda plus 17 is equal to 0. Lambda squared plus 4 lambda plus 7 is equal to 0, and lambda squared minus 4 lambda plus 7 is equal to 0. We have to check out which is the right answer. So here the very important thing is what is the characteristic equation, right? That's the very important thing is what? Characteristic equation. So the characteristic equation is determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0, right? Determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. This is what the characteristic equation. According to that, so this can be simplified as determinant of A matrix. What is the A matrix is? Minus 5, 6, minus 2, 1. Is it not? Minus lambda into I matrix. What is I matrix? As we know, that is the unit matrix. So while multiplying with the lambda, we are having lambda 0, 0, lambda, right? With this is the matrix sign. This is the matrix sign, whereas this is determinant sign. This is equal to what? 0. determinant of A matrix minus lambda into I is equal to 0. So now we are knowing that how to subtract the two matrix, that is determinant of minus 5 minus lambda, one term. Next 6 minus 0 is 6, minus 2 minus 0 is minus 2, 1 minus lambda, is it not? That is equal to what? 0. How to multiply, how to find the determinant? So minus 5 into 1 is minus 5, minus into plus, minus into minus, what is minus into minus? Plus 5 lambda. Again minus lambda into 1 is minus lambda, minus into minus plus lambda square, right? Minus of the non-diagonal elements, that is minus 2 into 6, that is equal to what? 0, right? So now while simplifying this, what I am getting is here lambda square plus 5 lambda minus lambda is plus 4 lambda, is it not? Plus 4 lambda minus 5, minus into minus plus 2 into 6 is 12, is it not? Plus 12. So that is, you are having the answer lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 7 is equal to 0. Now you check which is the right answer in this problem. Lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 7 is equal to 0. So the answer is C is the right answer for this problem. Okay, I hope all of you are understanding this concept to finding the characteristic equation of a given matrix 2 cross 2. So now we shall pass on to the next question, that is known as the unit vector of the directions. As we know that, we have studied that, so unit vector is always defined as A cap is equal to A vector over magnitude of A vector. Magnitude of A vector. According to that, A vector what he has given, the A vector is same, that is 3i plus 4j minus 2k. Now, now we have to find the magnitude of A vector, that is square root of 3 square plus 4 square plus minus 2 whole square. Is it not? That value is minus 2, therefore minus 2 whole square. Of course, while simplifying this, 3i plus 4j minus 2k divided by 9 plus 16 plus 4. What is that is square root of 16 plus 4, 20, 29. So A cap is equal to this. Now we have to check which is the right answer in this problem. So I hope all of you are understanding, that is unit vector can be defined as A vector over magnitude of A vector, and how to find the magnitude of a vector. So while simplifying this, you will get the answer. So now you check which is the right answer. So that is B is the right answer for this problem. Is it not? 3i plus 4j minus 2k over root 29, right? So this way we can solve this question number 57. Now we shall pass on to the next question, that is 58. Okay. Now what is question number 58? If A vector is equal to I minus lambda j and B vector is equal to 2i plus 3k, find A dot B when and A dot B is equal to 0. A vector dot B vector is equal to 0, then what is lambda? Find the lambda. So he has given the 4 answer, minus 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 2 and 0. So before that, so understanding the dot product. So we are knowing that is dot product can be defined as A vector dot B vector is equal to A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. What is this? Is dot product of two multiplication, the coefficients of IJK or should be multiplied, right? Like that. But in the problem, he has given the dot vector as, in the problem, he has given the A vector. A vector is equal to what he has given? I minus lambda j. So there is no k vector, means we have to take that is plus 0k vector. 0k unit vector. These are the unit vector. And he has given the B vector. What is the B vector? B vector he has given, I is not given, therefore 0 into I plus 2 into j and then plus 3 into k. Is it not? Like that the vectors can be defined. Now according to the dot product, so this is what I told you, that is dot product defined like this. So therefore A vector dot B vector is equal to I coefficient is 1 into 0, 1 into 0 plus, right, that is 1 into 0 plus of minus lambda into 2 j coefficients plus 0 into k coefficient into 3. So 0 into 3 will cancel, and he has given this is equal to what? 0. So therefore 1 into 0 will cancel, that is you are having minus 2 lambda is equal to 0. Therefore lambda is equal to 0 by minus 2, that is equal to 0. The answer is lambda is equal to 0. So which is the right answer according to this problem is D is the right answer for this problem. Usually not going to give like this, but anyhow in this question paper it is like that. Their lambda value will be executed, but here the answer is 0, executed as 0. So now we have to find the next question, that is question number 59. Find the area of the triangle whose adjacent sides are given. So A vector one side and the B vector, of course triangle has 3 sides. Out of 3 sides he has given only 2 sides. We know the formula, that is area of triangle is, we are knowing that is area of triangle is equal to half into magnitude of A vector cross B vector. This is very important to know, that is area of triangle. So he has given the 4 answer. The area should be always in terms of square unit, root 41 by 2, 3 by 2, and last one is root 65 by 2 square units, right? So how to find the magnitude of A vector cross B vector? He has given the A vector and the B vector. What is B vector is here 3i minus j, plus there is no term in the sense we have to consider is what? 0 k, is it not? That is what the idea of thinking. So now A vector cross B vector is equal to magnitude of the cross product can be defined like this, ijk, and the coefficients of ijk coefficients of A vector, that is 2 minus 1 2, and the coefficients of ijk for the B vector is 3 minus 1 0. So usual procedure for finding the determinant. How to find the determinant of this? This is equal to I into minus 1 into 0 is 0, minus of minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. That is the first term is over. Next, after the plus we have to consider, that is minus j into, so 2 into 0 is 0, minus 3 into 2 is 6, the second term, plus k into, yes, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, and 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, minus of minus 3. So this is the way to find the determinant is here. Now this is minus into minus plus 2j, here plus in minus into minus is plus 6j, right? Next minus into minus is plus 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 1k, 1k means k. Of course I, j, k are the unit vectors. This is I, is it not? I cap, j cap, k cap, k cap. That is very important to write, that cap is always very essential to understand the unit vector. So now we are having 2i plus 6j plus k. So therefore area of the triangle whose adjacent sides are given, the answer is half into magnitude of this vector. So that is square root of 2 square plus of 6 square plus of 1 square, that is square root of 4 plus 36 plus 1, that is 37 plus 4 is root 41 divided by 2. Now we check which is the right answer among these he has given. So according to this, the answer is B is the right answer for this problem. B is the right answer for this problem. So I hope all of you are understanding, that is area of triangle. So area of parallelogram may ask, that is only magnitude of A vector cross B vector. There is no half term for parallelogram. For triangle it is half into magnitude of half of the parallelogram, that is magnitude of A vector cross B vector. So this completes the question number 60, and you have think that is, this is what I told you, that is, this is dot product, whereas this is what called cross product. Cross product. So this is the way to define the cross product for every two vectors. So this completes the question number 59.